In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ExpressVPN on your Android device with our VPN Experts Quick Guide tutorial. Whether you're new to VPNs or just need a straightforward guide, we'll cover each step to get you set up swiftly and securely. First things first, we'll head to the ExpressVPN website, hailed as one of the best VPN services for speed and privacy in 2025. Simply open your preferred web browser on your Android device and enter www.expressvpn.com in the address bar. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate their services effortlessly. Now, find and tap on the My Account section. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and it's where you'll manage all your account settings and subscriptions. After tapping on My Account, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your login details here. If you don't, feel free to sign up and follow their instructions to create an account. A VPN helps protect your online privacy, so knowing how to access your account is key to managing your security settings effectively. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the ExpressVPN dashboard, a hub for all your VPN needs and configurations. From this dashboard, you can manage your devices and see your subscription details. To get your Android device set up, locate and click on the Set Up Your Devices option. This section is pivotal because it guides you through the installation process specific to your device. Within the Setup page, you'll see a list of various supported devices. Since our goal is setting up the VPN on an Android, click on Android. ExpressVPN provides tailored instructions and options for each device, so ensuring you select the correct one is essential for a smooth setup. By choosing Android, you access specific instructions and an installation link appropriate for your device's operating system. Congratulations! You are now ready to follow the remaining instructions to install and configure ExpressVPN on your Android device. Remember that once it's up and running, you can protect your online activities, access restricted content, and enjoy a private browsing experience. Make sure to periodically check the ExpressVPN dashboard for updates or changes in your subscription. And don't hesitate to explore their customer support for additional help or questions. By following these steps, you'll be able to securely surf the web in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tutorials to help you optimize your tech experience.